Senator De Lima, it was your greed and your immorality that did you in. Hindi mo na matago yan. It's all loose. I think it's beyond your control already. People are willing. Even the employees of that penitentiary. SAF took it over. It's now under the police. But remember this, when we start to ask question, you better tell us the truth, or else I will charge you all, superintendents, wardens, supervisors, a case of conspiracy to commit a serious wrong, or at the very least, seriously neglecting your duty.